Hello everyone, today we will understand our country, India. India is a country of vast geographical expanse. In the north, it is bound by the lofty Himalayas, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south, wash the shores of the Indian peninsula. India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometers. The north to south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3,200 kilometers. And the east to west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is about 2,900 kilometers. India has a population of more than 120 crores since the year 2011. It is the second most populous country of the world after China. India is located in the northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes almost halfway through the country. From south to north, mainland of India extends between 8°4' north and 37°6' north latitudes. From west to east, India extends between 68°7' east and 97°25' east longitudes. Due to great longitudinal extent of about 29 degrees, there could be a wide differences in local time of places located at two extreme points of India. As such, the difference between these 2 points would be of about 2 hours. The sun rises about 2 hours earlier in the east in Arunachal Pradesh than in the west in Kutch. The local time of longitude of 82°30' east has been taken as the Indian Standard Time. This meridian or longitude is also termed as the Standard Meridian of India. There are 7 countries that share land boundaries with India. These are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. Across the sea to the south lie our island neighbors, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Pak Strait. India is a vast country. For administrative purposes, the country is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. Delhi is the national capital. The states have been formed mainly on the basis of languages. Rajasthan is the largest state, and Goa is the smallest state in terms of area. The states are further divided into districts. India is marked by a diversity of physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, coasts, and islands. Standing as sentinels in the north are the lofty snow-capped Himalayas. The Himalayan mountains are divided into 3 main parallel ranges. The northernmost is the Great Himalaya, or Himadri. The world's highest peaks are located in this range. Middle Himalaya, or Himachal, lies to the south of Himadri. Many popular hill stations are situated here. The Shivalik is the southernmost range. The northern Indian plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. They are generally level and flat. These are formed by the alluvial deposits laid down by the rivers, the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, and their tributaries. These river plains provide fertile land for cultivation. That is the reason for high concentration of population in these plains. To the south of northern plains lies the Peninsular Plateau. It is triangular in shape. The relief is highly uneven. This is a region with numerous hill ranges and valleys. Aravalli Hills, one of the oldest ranges of the world, border it on the northwest side. The Vindhya and the Satpura are the important ranges. The rivers Narmada and Tapi flow through these ranges. These are west-flowing rivers that drain into the Arabian Sea. The western Ghats border the plateau in the west, and the eastern Ghats provide the eastern boundary. While the western Ghats are almost continuous, the eastern Ghats are broken and uneven. The plateau is rich in minerals like coal and iron ore. To the west of the western Ghats, and the east of eastern Ghats, lie the coastal plains. The western coastal plains are very narrow. The eastern coastal plains are much broader. There are a number of east-flowing rivers. The rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri drain into the Bay of Bengal. These rivers have formed fertile deltas at their mouth. 2 groups of islands also form part of India. Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. The Andaman and the Nicobar Islands lie to the southeast of the Indian mainland in the Bay of Bengal. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to stay tuned. Next topic: India's climate, vegetation, and wildlife.